What's hiding in your emergency fund? If it's just one big pile of cash in a standard savings account, you're losing money every single day. Inflation is eating your safety net, and your bank is profiting off your laziness. Most people tell you to just save 6 months of expenses. But that's basic. We specialize in wealth optimization, turning dead money into passive income engines. We've helped thousands of young professionals stop hoarding cash and start making it work. Today, we're breaking down the 3-tier emergency fund. This is a strategic system that balances instant access with high-yield growth. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly how to split your cash between liquid reserves, high-yield savings accounts, and money market funds. You'll maximize your returns without risking your peace of mind. Let's dive in. You think you're being responsible, saving for a rainy day. But what's hiding in your emergency fund? Is it just sitting there, earning almost no interest? You're not alone. Many of us keep our emergency funds in a traditional savings account, earning maybe 0.1% interest. That's basically nothing. Over time, inflation will actually decrease the purchasing power of your money. So, having a single savings account for your emergency fund can actually cost you money. Think about it. You're working hard to save, but your savings are losing value. A high-yield savings account, or HYSA, can earn you 4 to 5% interest. That's a big difference. But is it the best option for your emergency fund? And what about money market funds? They can offer even higher returns, but with some added risk. It's time to rethink your emergency fund strategy. Let's build a better safety net, one that actually grows your wealth. So you've started building your emergency fund. That's a great first step. But is your money working as hard as it could be? Think about it, a single savings account might be costing you money. Let's talk about the 3-tier emergency fund. It's a strategy to maximize your savings, and it's pretty simple. You'll divide your emergency fund into 3 tiers: cash, high-yield savings, and money market funds. Tier 1 is your cash reserve, about 1 to 2 months worth of expenses, easily accessible in a checking account. Tier 2 is your high-yield savings account, or HYSA, where you'll store 2 to 3 months worth of expenses. This is where you'll earn a higher interest rate than a traditional savings account. And Tier 3 is your money market fund, for 3 to 6 months worth of expenses. This is where you'll invest in low-risk, short-term debt securities, like commercial paper and treasury bills. The idea is to balance liquidity with returns. You want to be able to access your money when you need it, but you also want to earn a decent interest rate. By using a 3-tier emergency fund, you'll be able to take advantage of higher interest rates, while still keeping your money safe and accessible. So how do you get started? First, assess your expenses and determine how much you need in each tier. Then, shop around for a high-yield savings account and a money market fund that fit your needs. And finally, set up a system to automatically transfer money into each tier. That way, you'll be building your emergency fund without even thinking about it. The 3-tier emergency fund is a simple, yet powerful strategy to build wealth and achieve financial stability. And as a young professional or first-time saver, it's a great way to get started with investing and growing your wealth. So, what are you waiting for? Start building your 3-tier emergency fund today and take the first step towards a more secure financial future. Now, if you're tired of your bank paying you 0.01% interest, it's time to move. I've put a link in the description to the HYSA and money market funds I personally use. These are the exact tools that help me maximize my 3-tier system without sacrificing liquidity. Imagine this: instead of your money sitting idle, it's actually working for you 24/7. By splitting your fund, you get the safety of cash, the growth of an HYSA, and the flexibility of a money market fund. The result? Higher monthly returns and the total peace of mind knowing you're covered for any disaster. Stop letting your bank profit off your savings. Click the link below to start your 3-tier fund today. And if this helped you rethink your savings, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications. Let's build that wealth together.